After using the 3M Scott Vision C5 Facepiece, it is important to clean it according to the process outlined in the user instructions. If you find any damage during the cleaning, remove the equipment from service and tag it for repair by authorized personnel. Prior to handling or using any of the cleaning agents mentioned in the instruction, please consult the manufacturer's safety data sheet for precautions and important instructions. For cleaning the facepiece, you will need the following supplies: a 3M approved sanitizing or disinfecting cleaner and a spray bottle, drinking or potable water either from a faucet or in a spray bottle, a lint-free cloth, and optionally, dry breathing air at a maximum of 30 psig for drying the facepiece. If an approved disinfectant is not available, you can disinfect the facepiece using one of the solutions outlined in the user instructions. If the facepiece is heavily soiled, you may wish to first wash the facepiece with a solution of mild soap or detergent in warm water. Using a spray bottle, apply a solution of mild soap or detergent in warm water to the soiled surfaces. Rinse the facepiece with water either from a faucet or in a spray bottle, or clean the facepiece using 3M approved cleaning wipes. Shake the excess water off of the facepiece and dry it with a clean lint-free cloth, or gently blow dry it with clean dry breathing air of 30 psig or less pressure. Do not use shop air or any other air containing lubricants or moisture. Please note, the internal microphone consists of a tube that may retain water droplets during the rinse process. To remove the water, turn the facepiece upside down and gently tap it. Avoid using dry breathing air to remove any water droplets inside the microphone tube, as blowing air directly into the MCU microphone tube may cause damage to the microphone. Thank you for watching, and for any further questions, please call 3M Scott Tech Support at 1-800-247-7257 or send email to scotttechsupport@mmm.com.